So BOUNCECURL came out with 2 new products, their leave-in conditioner and their Clump and Define cream. I did a bunch of research. I looked through all the comments and all the feedback that the creator of BOUNCECURL was giving, and she said not to use them together. So I'm not going to use them together. I just wanted to show this one. I'm going to use the Clump and Define cream today. But the leave-in conditioner, I think I'll probably just review that on my Instagram profile. So I might or I might not pair the cream with the BOUNCECURL light cream gel. This is literally my first time using it, so you guys are going to experience it with me. I haven't even I haven't even opened it. It smells. The smell is not strong at all. It smells like, I don't know. It's just really not strong. So this is what the cream is like. Yes, I'm taking off the lid because I'm not wasting any product. The consistency is creamy. I see people apply it in sections, but I hate sectioning my hair. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna apply it like I would apply any other cream. I'm starting with a tiny bit because I've heard a little goes a long way. So I'm just working this in my hair. I still haven't even added more product. I'm gonna apply a little bit more. I'm gonna apply this much more cream with my hair flipped upside down. So I have not scrunched at all, and these are my results so far. Again, this is without scrunching. I like the results so far, but I feel like my hair usually is tighter curled.
Tighter curled? Or tighter cold?
Curled.
Oh, curl.
But I'm gonna let it air dry for a little bit, and then I'm gonna see if I'm gonna add the gel or not. So my hair has been air drying, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start diffusing it, and I'm gonna see if this product can be used on its own or if I can add in the gel, because I feel like with BOUNCECURL gel you can add it in when your hair is like almost dry or damp or dry already. So I really don't mind adding the gel at the end. So I'm gonna start diffusing, see how it comes out. Maybe when it's like 50% dry, that's when I'll see if I should add in the gel or not. So my hair is about 80% dry. Wow, I didn't think that my curls were gonna curl like this. Honestly, I was a little scared, but the definition is beautiful. I really could go without the gel, but I think because it's rainy, it's humid, and it's supposed to rain for the next 2 days, I'm just gonna add a tiny bit, but I really don't even need it. Like, the definition is awesome. So I'm just gonna add this much gel for my whole hair. So now I'm just gonna finish diffusing, and then I will show you the end results. these are my results after diffusing and fluffing. I think it's amazing. Overall, I'm extremely impressed because my curls have so much definition. I used barely any gel and my hair came out fabulous. Like, so much definition, so much volume. A little bit goes such a long way because I only used about maybe 3 dime amounts for my whole head, maybe 4, but literally I used barely anything. But I'm obsessed. My curls actually haven't coiled like this in a long time. So I think this is definitely something that my hair needed. Overall, I'm very impressed. I'm very grateful that the results worked out perfect because I was very nervous. But I'm very impressed. I highly recommend this product. I feel like the results speak for themselves. I don't really know what else to say because I'm just like so impressed myself. I definitely recommend it. Like I said, a little bit goes a long way and it's amazing. Like, I love these results. I'm like speechless, to be honest, because my hair has not coiled like this in so long. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video again, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know in the comments down below. I always get back to everybody. And as always, thank you for watching.